All right, number 2. According to the Kolmogorov-Smirnoff test of normality, which of the following variables violates the assumption of normality? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to pull that up. Let's go ahead and do it. So we're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore, and you might notice that the names of our variables are at the end here, right? So if I stretch this one out a little bit, right, you'll see exam, computer, lectures. If you want those to be first, you simply hover the mouse, right-click, change it to display names. So these are the variable names, and then the long ones are what's in the label column, right? The label column. Let me show you that real quick. Here's the label column. So again, if you want it like that, you leave it in the label column, but I prefer just the names of the actual statistics. All right, so it looks like the first 4. And we're going to check these for normality using the Kolmogorov-Smirnoff test. Click plots, unclick that. Histograms can be misleading, but this one right here is your main one. That's going to give you the Kolmogorov-Smirnoff test of normality and the Shapiro-Wilk. Shapiro-Wilk is supposed to be for smaller sample sizes. Kolmogorov-Smirnoff is supposed to be for larger, but they don't really give you a cutoff, so either one you want is fine with me. So here's your test statistics. Your mean, your standard deviation, that kind of stuff, your measures of central tendency. Now here's your money right here. Here's your test of normality. Okay, so here is exam. And if this sig value is less than 0.05, which it is, that means it violated that assumption. This is true in any assumption test. With assumptions, you do not want a small sig value, a small p-value. That means you violated that assumption. So according to the output, the exam violated the assumption of normality. In other words, the exam data was not normal. Neither was the computer literacy. That was not normal. Lectures attended. This one says it was normal, but that little 200.200 star, that means that SPSS says if you had a bigger sample size, it would be normal, so we're going to count it as normal. But then the numeracy was not normal at all. So basically the only one that was considered normal by the Kolmogorov-Smirnoff was the lectures attended. But let's look at their histograms. Yeah, that is definitely not normal. And which one is this? This is exam scores. And here's literacy. A little bit normal, but it's got too many peaks. That's what we call kurtotic. And here is lectures. Well, almost normal. So this one is the one that the Kolmogorov-Smirnoff is calling normal. Well, I kind of agree with that. That data kind of looks normal. And then the last one down here is, nope, this one is skewed. You'll notice it's skewed to the right or positively skewed. So that is the answer. I hope that helps. MGZ out.